should I do? I can't do
Do some dance. Do a jazz jump.
You gotta tell us when you're gonna jump. This hurts. That's the only dance move I know how to do.
Look, she fell in the background.
Can you do oh my god, I can't words.
That thing.
That what's my words? Are you videoing this?
Yes. She just runs away. What is she doing? Where is she? She's like looking out the corner.
Oh my god. She looks like a little bird. Hold on, I gotta get.